Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically show two pages on one slide on Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can basically either select the select button here, slide sorter, and that's basically where you can like view all of your slides as well, or you can go to view and select whichever one you want. There's outline view, slide sorter, notes page, reading view, um, and the rest. And that's pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!